Welcome to the Sunday Gardener. I've often written on the website and posted blogs and newsletters about how good sedums are for attracting butterflies and hoverflies. So we're just going to have a look at this. So I often describe sedums as a magnet for pollinators, butterflies, bees, and hopefully these little bits of video show just how effective they are at attracting our insects and butterflies. Quite often on sedums, butterflies will settle down for quite a while, enjoying the nectar on the flower, and there's now two settled on this white sedum. And I hope you can see also that sedums attract a lot of pollinators and different types of bees and hoverflies, in addition to being very attractive to butterflies. And although butterflies, as the name suggests, fly and flutter from plant to plant, they often settle and land on sedums for quite some time. That enables you to watch them and study them. I think sedums are really good planted near a garden seat, so you can sit and relax with a cup of tea and watch the butterflies, take some of the strain out of life. Good thing about sedums is that they propagate at a drop of a hat. They're really easy. You can just break a piece off into ordinary compost in a pot and they will spread roots, and they're also one of the plants that you can germinate easily in water. Some people do find germinating from cuttings quite difficult, whereas if you pop a cutting in a jar of water, apart from the fact it gets really interesting watching it grow, you also can have plants.